You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Cut and glue the pattern with a sticky tape. Cut 5 rectangle bottom pieces. Cut 5 details, add seam allowance. I added +1 centimeter. Cut waist part, check it to fit your waist before sewing. This is how finished bottom part should look like. Sew horsehair braid string on the hem. I use 5 centimeters wide string. Hide the seam between the layers. Baby lock the top edge. Or you can fold the top if you don't have this option. Measure this bottom edge to know how much you need to ruffle the bottom of the skirt. Pin and sew this seam. Repeat to all 5 parts. Sew the side seams. I use this kind of decorative string to hide this seam. Sew the waist part. I used the waist part to make the ribbons. I didn't want to use zipper because I used sheer fabric. If you want to sew it with the zipper, I will add the link in the description on how I would sew it. Hide the edge of the ribbon between the layers. Good luck with your new skirt.